Okay, I'll try and quickly wrap up what you're going to need in this first instance. So with the watermarks, if I can find that, that's going to be place, that one there. Now if I have a look, you can see that it is referencing, there we go, it's referencing my hard drive, and you're going to be having an external hard drive. You know what, I mean, you're going to have a C drive as well, so if you were to, no, you'd have to have iDrive sync. If you were happy to have that exact folder structure, you wouldn't have to remap them, but I mean, you don't want that. You might as well remap them. Anyway, I'll leave it to you. So how do you go and remap it? Essentially, you just need to trash that place, delete it, come up one above, click on record, then place embedded, and then go and find the same file name. Before you delete it, you'll see what the file name is. I'm about to give them to you. Find it on your hard drive, add it, then it will appear in the actions. Once you've done that, I'm going to give you a whole set of actions, so they'll look like this. Once you've changed it, you'll want to resave your actions, so if you ever want to use it in future on another computer, etc., click on My Actions, come up to here and Save Actions, and then save save the action. There's my one there that I have as a backup, and well, I mean, you'd overwrite the one that I possibly give you. So if you ever make any changes, that's the process. So I'll go ahead and supply you with those watermark files now, and we'll go from there.